Well, it's late in the day, and I'm tired, so I'm going to try this alien tape. We're going to try the alien tape. Here we go. I'm not the guy. I don't like to rig things up. Where is it leaking? There it is. Taking a little pee-pee. So we're going to try the alien tape. See how it goes. I don't know how to set the phone up. Let's see, maybe set it up like that. There we go. Stay right there. Oh, it ain't gonna stay. All right. Oh, here we go. Oh, well, it sticks to your hands, but it won't stick to the tank. I need that boat tape. I want to push it in the hole. Damn it. It's been a rough week. Really rough week. It started on Friday. Oh, come on, just plug in there. It ain't gonna plug in there. Oh, man. Maybe if I put a screw. All right, gotta try a screw. We'll be back.